As President, I will work with the Haitian people, private businesses, and the international community to rebuild Haiti. Security is essential to restore confidence for local and foreign investment, as well as economic development. The tragedy of January 12th is a painful reminder of why we need our Haitian Army back. This constitutionally mandated institution would have helped save thousands of lives by being the first responder on the scene. We need our Corps of Engineers, our Medical Corps, our Air Force, and our Navy. In this age of global terrorism and drug trafficking, we need a force to secure our borders. We need an army at the service of its people. Reestablishing the Haitian Army as an institution is vital for securing our country and will create a minimum of 20,000 jobs within the first 3 years. Under my leadership, our police force will be allowed to perform its duties according to the Constitution, and this well-trained armed force will focus on security and civic education, which is key to bringing this fragile democracy to life. There cannot be economic development without security.